again, YouTube. Sorry, I have the mask on. So today I am working on sanding stuff, maybe using the filler to fill in a couple more spots. It is an extreme heat warning for Nevada. It's 110. So anyway, I am gonna sand down some of the spots that need to get sanded, maybe cover them a couple more times with some of the mud, because yeah, my walls are not perfectly straight because I did not use a level, but I think it looks pretty good considering. So I'm just gonna continue doing that. I don't know if you guys are interested in actually watching me do that. And then I'm going to prime these walls. Maybe the roof, I don't know, it's a little uneven right here. I'm gonna prime these and get it ready for the fabric wallpaper. Or it's not actually wallpaper, it's like fabric that I have that I used or was gonna use for a couch and I didn't end up using it. And then I do have some blue paint, so I don't know if maybe I want to paint the ceiling blue first and then use the fabric that I have. It does look really, I don't know, I feel like the fabric looks like it belongs in a historical set. Not exactly sure which part of history, but it looks maybe Victorian, maybe a little after. Belongs somewhere in a queen's house. Anyway, I like it. I think it'll look great in here. I do have quite a bit of it, so I don't have to buy anything. I'm just gonna use fabric starch. I am gonna try to get the walls and everything as smooth as possible first. And then from there, that'll be pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on some of these little holes that I have. I don't really think I need the mask on for this part of it. Where did that little... I will say, if you've ever mudded a wall, I always forget to rinse off my scrapers or whatever these are. So I normally just take another one and try to make it as flat as possible. Or if you have a razor blade or one of those like window scrapers, it has like a razor blade on the end, you can just scrape it off. Anyway, if it's pretty smooth, it's not gonna really matter. It's not really gonna mess up anything. But if it's not smooth, it will leave whatever is there on your, like, whatever you... Why is it doing that? Sorry, my tape is bubbling. Anyway, I'm going to fill some small holes, so I don't think it's going to matter. I have this, I don't know if you can see it, this little gap right here, so I'm just going to fill that in. I could probably fill it in with caulking too, which would probably be better, but I already have this stuff out, so why not just fill it with what I have. I don't know what you can see. I don't know if you're seeing exactly what I'm doing or not. Hopefully. Anyway, just filling in the spots that I missed. I don't know if maybe I can set this camera up a little better so you guys can see me. So I did kind of shove a piece of, what is this in here? little piece of drywall to try to keep the roof level. It's definitely not perfect in here. I am a bit of a perfectionist, so I do tend to like go over things until I feel like it's not gonna bother me. Also, I can't listen to any music because I don't want to get copyrighted or something. But yeah, so just filling in all of these little gaps up here. I doubt you guys can see it that far away, but yeah, it's not too bad. I'll show you how semi-smooth it looks in a second. It is, again, super hot. I don't know why this piece doesn't want to stay down. Okay, well, that doesn't look terrible, I don't think. Okay, so window pretty much done. I'm gonna work on this top up here. To see. I swear this is one of those trust the processes. I don't know if you guys can see it all that well from where you're at, but again, if you've never put mud on a wall, then, you know, I probably really won't trust your opinion, so, yeah. Anyway, some spots are done, some spots are undone. Again, I am going to go over and sand some of it just so they're a little smoother. Hopefully a little bit of mud I have left doesn't dry out. But yeah, I am going to start sanding. So put the mask on. Set you guys right there. I guess I shouldn't have let it sit out on the sun. Now it's like super hot. I think I'm just gonna let this cool off and then I'll come back.